In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the general settings for the Dokan. Now, as you notice here, they have a lot of different options, different things that you can be able to tweak, you can change, you can customize, you can have full control over. The reason for that is as the store owner, you have access to everything. This means that if you want to ban someone, disable certain features, enable certain features, delete certain things, you can do that from right here in your settings section. So let's take a look now at the general. The first thing you notice here is admin access. You do not want the general public or even your customers to get access to this, so you keep that as checked. Now for the vendor store URL, this is where they're going to connect with your store. So for now, I'm just going to put that at Dokan. You can call your store whatever you want it to be. And then for the vendor setup wizard logo, you want to make sure that your size is 270 by 90 pixels. So I've already created one here, and I'm going to use the Dokan logo. So let's just choose. From here, I don't have the logo uploaded, so click to upload files, and then I can either just drag the files here or just click to select. And this is the file that I'm going to use. Now I've selected it, and I'm going to click on select. If you notice here, the dimensions are 270 by 90. So that was going to fit perfectly on the site. Now you can put all text here, you can put captions, you can put description, but for now, just click on select. So we've added the logo right there. And then do you want to disable welcome wizard? Now, the welcome wizard, when people are creating a store, is going to give them a little wizard for them to follow, like a little tour of what to do. So when your store is just starting out, I would recommend that you leave this on there, especially if you have a brand new store. As people become more familiar with it, then you can be able to change that. And do you want to log shipment station API request? We're going to take a look about this one later on. Short terms and condition. So for the store terms, you want to make sure that you do create terms and conditions so that your store owners and your vendors understand exactly what the requirements are, what they can or cannot do. The same thing too for enable the terms and condition. Do you want to enable single seller mode? And for the category here, store category. So we're going to cover this a lot more later on, but we can choose multiple for now. You can change this later on if you need to. So just click on save.